Hey guys, so what we're going to be talking about today is the Chase stretcher system, and it comes in a couple different sizes. We have the narrow version, which is 18 by 72. We also have a wide version, which is 26 by 72. We have even a wider version, which is the extra wide version, and it's 54 by 84. So the Chase stretcher system, it has the ability to hold up to 300 to 350 pounds depending on the model, and it has 6 carry handles. Each carry handle is rated to about 400 pounds per handle. Now nobody's going to pull from one handle. We recommend grabbing 2 handles, putting them together, and pulling. So we're going to talk about how to deploy it, how to use it, and how to fold it back up. So this video may be divided up into a couple of different sections, but we're going to go ahead and record the whole thing first. So what we're going to do is we're just going to, they all operate the same way, fold up the same way, but we're just going to use this version right here, which is the wide version. So this one's 26 by 72, 26 inches wide, 72 inches long. So we've got a little guy here. We're going to pretend this guy is not able to get up and walk. So we're going to deploy the litter system. So the way this works, we're just going to scoot him over a little bit. We're going to unbuckle the buckles here. We're going to open it up. So the litter system is combined inside right here, folded up nice and neat. So the way this works, we're going to pull this side out, just like so. And we're going to pull this side out, just like so. And as you can see, the pouch is still attached. You can actually detach this if you would like. So we'll go ahead and detach it, discard this part. So the way this works is you're just going to simply unfold it. And you can see, like I talked about earlier, it has carry handles. So it's got 6 carry handles total. All right, so as you can see, we have a chest strap here and a leg strap here. Either way it's turned, it's still going to be the same. So again, we have carry handles at the top, middle, and the bottom. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and unbuckle these. And what you would do is you would either lean the patient up, slide the litter under them, or if you're able to move the patient onto the litter itself, whichever is easier. This little guy's missing part of his leg, so we were using him on a different training type scenario. But what we're going to do is we're going to strap him across right here, buckle him in, nice and tight. We would do the same thing over his legs, if he had both legs. I'm just going to buckle that in. We're going to cinch him up tight. Now, like I said before, you would use both handles together to pick up and drag the person on the litter. Once you get them to the point that they need, you can actually take the person off the litter by unbuckling. If you're transporting onto a rigid litter system or a hard stretcher, you can do it at that point. This can go right onto the hard stretcher if you need to, but simply taking them back off, however they need to be taken off, pull them off. Now, when we get into how to fold the system back up, what we're going to do is we're going to connect our straps back together. You don't necessarily have to connect them back together, but just for this video, we're going to put them back together. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold this back to the center halfway mark. We're going to do the other side the same way. I'm going to fold to the center. And when we start folding, you want to make your folds about 5 inches from one side to the other, and I'll show you how to do that. It's called an S roll. So you also want to put your stretcher back on here. You want to line up the Velcro. So we're going to line up our Velcro on the bottom to the best of our ability, like so. And what I normally do is I'll start on one end and I'll do about a 5-inch fold, 5 inches like this. Then you're going to roll it like this and then roll it like this. You're going to take those folds and you're going to poke them back into the pouch. Just like so. So we're going to just flip this around this way. Maybe 1 fold, 2 folds, 3 folds. We're going to take this, put this back into the pouch. And it doesn't have to be nice and neat, but you just want it to operate the same way every time you use it. Because consistency definitely matters. So you take this, hold it back over, kind of push it down, take your buckles, buckle them back, just like so. So again, this is the wide model, 26 by 72. Some customers have ordered the 54 by 84, so it's going to be much larger. You're going to operate it the same exact way. You're just going to have more space as far as the litter itself goes. But these can be stored anywhere. They have a little thing right here where you could attach it to a carabiner or something if you wanted to hang it. Depending on the industry, we have some people that have the smaller version that take these and hook them onto a carabiner, and they've got them on their vest or they've got them on their turnout gear or whatever. So anyway, if you have any questions, please reach out to us. Email is info, I-N-F-O, @blazedefensesystems.com. Feel free to reach out to us with any questions, concerns. We'd be more than happy to help you out. Thanks again for watching.